How to add thumbnails to YouTube videos quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add thumbnails to YouTube videos. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up YouTube, and if you have a channel on YouTube, you might want to add thumbnails that help you get more views, and we can add like these kind of thumbnails on our videos. How to add this thumbnail to your video? It's actually really easy. For that, you will have to open up your Creator Studio and it will take you to your channel dashboard. Click on upload and upload your video. When you click on upload, this is where it will take you and you can see a video is being uploaded. Enter the title. For example, I have added how to add thumbnail. Scroll down to this option here, thumbnail. Select or upload a picture that shows what's in your video. A good thumbnail stands out and draws views. So what we need to do is click on upload thumbnail and select an image from our computer. So I have selected this image. Now this is just a thumbnail that I found in my folder, and it's for a recent video. You can see I have just uploaded an image. A thumbnail is created by a graphic designer, or you can create it yourself. It's a simple image that you have to create in order to upload to YouTube. When it comes to the size of the thumbnail, it should be 1280 by 720. This is the size for a thumbnail on YouTube. So you can just upload the video. Once you publish it, it will have this thumbnail that you added here. You can also select an image from your video, and if you do not add this image, then a random shot from your video will be created as the thumbnail, but you can just upload the image right here in your upload section. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.